Today, we will be doing a brief overview of the various configuration tools and support utilities that are available with the Adroit SCADA software and the reason for their existence. We are now going to turn our attention to the Adroit Smart UI Designer, and we're going to have a look at the utility called the Agent Explorer. The Agent Explorer provides a window into agents configured in the agent server and provides a quicker view without the cumbersome navigation of the agent configurator. The Agent Explorer utility is accessed from the context-sensitive menu of the Adroit data source in the Adroit Designer application. Right-clicking on the data source shows the context-sensitive menu, and here we have Agent Explorer, which can now be launched. The user interface of the Agent Explorer shows details of the connected agent server and all the agents contained in the selected agent server. You can change the view to look at individual agents or groups, such as the basic and advanced agents. For the purposes of this video, we will stick with the basic agents. As you can see from the previous agent configurator video, we had already created these agents that we can see in the analog group. By selecting an individual agent, we can look at its properties in a different grid view. We can look at agents in isolation. If we move to an upper level and move on to the analog group, we can see a list of all analog agents and some of their properties, such as the agent description. We can change this view by selecting any one of the individual agents. And let's assume that we want to see the value of all agents. This is done by selecting the value slot, and then by using the mouse right-click, it is possible to add the value slot to this grid view as another column. If we now go back to grid view of all the analogs, we can see all the agents together with their agent description and the value. We can continue to add extra slots by repeating the exercise and adding other slots of the agents that are of interest to us. We have done this for low-low, and you can see here we have the value and the low-low alarm setting. It is also possible to remove columns by right-clicking on a column, remove the column from the menu, and so keep control of what properties we are looking at for each agent on this view. Another thing that we can do from the Agent Explorer is to select any agent and double-click on it, and we will get the dialog as we would see it if we were using the Agent Configurator. A handy feature that we have in the Agent Explorer is that we can click on Analog and we can create agents. From here we can type, for example, bin 4 level, and it would be created in the agent server and added to the list. We have a few bulk agent tricks you can use under the Create Agents menu. By typing in bin%d level, 5, 9 and click OK. This would bulk create agents from bin 5 level to bin 9 level. Having created these agents, we can delete them by selecting the agent, right-click, and choose Remove Agent, or by pressing the Delete key, which gets rid of these agents that we've just created. As we were able to do in the Agent Configurator, we can also scan any selected tags from here. This is done by using the right-click menu and selecting the Scan option. Follow the dialog, select the batching device, select the device address you want. It is possible to change the scan rate, and we can add it to the scan list. At the same time, we can stop and start devices from this interface as well. In the same way, it is possible to remove any scanning configuration. Similarly, for any given agent, it is possible to configure the data logging and alarming of any agent. The next video in this series covers the WGP Inspector utility